Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll and find device unlock, or just tap on set screen lock, but better device unlock, and here tap on fingerprint and face unlock. So let me choose fingerprint, and basically if you do not have a regular screen lock you will have to add it right now, just like I have to. So just tap on next. I'll pick the pattern. Of course, if you've got the screen lock currently applied, you will be just transferred to another step directly to the fingerprint. Tap on next and let me quickly draw the pattern, redraw it, and tap on add now. So here we've got, in this device, we've got the sensor located under the screen, so all we have to do is to put our finger on the sensor, and now let's do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, of course. Alright, and tap on done. I don't want to do that. And here we've got our fingerprint section. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it and add another fingerprint. Here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for, and here some customization, so whether you want to show the fingerprint icon when the screen is off, and you can change the fingerprint animation. Just find the one which you like the most, tap on it, and it is done. Alright, so now all we have to do is to lock our device and check if it is working. So we've got our fingerprint sensor. Let me put my finger on it, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.